Yes, student. Now the next one is reaction between metals and non-metals, or the formation of ionic compounds or electrovalent compound. Okay, or you can say also called what? Ionic bond. So we will discuss many of the things in this video. Student, you know that why do the atoms of elements reacts? This is due to the incomplete octet or duplet in their valence shell. In earlier, I told you during the definition of metal that metals are having 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their valence shell. So, to complete duplet or octet, they usually tend to release the valence shell electron, and thus they complete what? Octet. During the completion of octet, they converts into cation. Getting? Similarly, I told you during the non-metals that the non-metals consist 4 or more than 4 valence electron. So, to complete octet, now they require some numbers of electrons like chlorine, bromine, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. They require what? Electron. Okay, and thus now they converts into anion, that is negative ion. Getting? Now what? Now when the cations come close to anion, that is one of the species releases electron, the second species gain electron. So now when the cation and anion come close, now they interact with each other. Such type of bonds are called what? Ionic bond. Are you getting? That means what? Like reaction between sodium and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine. Now student, you know that sodium, its atomic number is 11. The electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1. So it releases its 1 electron, that is minus 1 electron, and converts into Na cation. Okay, and one of the electron is getting released out. Isn't it? Similarly, when you talk about Cl, now its atomic number is 17 and the electronic configuration is 2, 8 and what? 7. So what it is doing? It is gaining 1 electron and converts into Cl anion. Okay, now what? Na cation and Cl anion interact with each other, okay, like Na cation plus Cl anion and converts into NaCl. Such bond known as what? Ionic bond. Or this is also known as what? Electrovalent bond. And such compounds called what? Electrovalent compound. Electrovalent compounds. Are you getting? Similarly, on the basis of migration of electrons, we can explain formation of MgO. Okay, that is magnesium oxide. So how can here we can explain Mg solid when heated? Okay, it converts into Mg 2 cation plus the 2 electron is getting released. So if we are taking 2 number of Mg, then will convert into 2 number of Mg cation, and overall electron it will be 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This becomes one of the process. Okay, the second process is O2. Okay, gains these 2 to the 4 electrons and converts into 2 numbers of oxygen and what? 2 anion. Okay, this is process number 2, isn't it? Now, if you combine it, it will become what? 2 Mg plus O2 is equal to 2 MgO. This is what? By electron transfer system. Isn't it? Or method. Even if you are asked to explain the formation of any other compound, okay, like here, suppose we have to explain the formation of MgO by electron transfer system, then we can explain here Mg, the nucleus of Mg. Okay, this is what? Nucleus. This is one of the shell, consists what? 2 electrons. 1 and 1, 2 electrons. The another shell, it consists 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 electrons. While the last shell, now it consists only how many electrons? 2 electrons. This is 1, this is 2. It is shown by electron. Okay. Now, this is what? This is Mg. Okay. Now, O, that is what? Oxygen. Okay. So, this is oxygen, nucleus of oxygen. It consists 2 valence electron, 2 electrons in inner shell, and now what? 6 electrons in outer shell. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But to complete octet, okay, that is its atomic number is 8 and the configuration is 2 and 6. So it requires how many electrons? 2 electrons. While Mg has 2 electrons more. So what? The Mg will donate its 2 electrons, okay, into valence shell of oxygen. Into valence shell of oxygen. Thus now the formation of magnesium oxide will take place. In the similar way, you can explain many of the things. Are you getting? Now, the properties of ionic compound we will deal in next period.